Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to make a Google or a Gmail account. So the first thing you're going to do is just type in your name. So I'll just go ahead and do that. See? And then you just keep clicking and type in your last name. And then this is where you get to create your username for your Gmail account. So I'm just going to make mine right there. And then here's where you're going to type your password right here. And it tells you down here the combination that you need to have. So go ahead and type in a password. And then just go ahead and click next. And that's how you create your Google account.